And now it's time for a sad story with Mr. Sad.
Well, hello everybody and welcome to a sad story. Today's story is called Adult Teeth Don't Grow Back. The year was 1994, and as I recall, it began like any other morning. I remember it, like it were yesterday. All right, I'm leaving. Have a good day. Bye, Mom.
Bye. Have a good day at school and be safe.
As I arrived at school, my grade 3 teacher, Miss Cherry, stopped us in the hall. She always wore black and chewed gum after recess. She warned us that the playground was extremely slippery and to be careful at recess. And in a kid's brain, when you hear slip and slide, that's all you want to do. Whew. What a great day for recess. Let's go sliding. I found my spot in the sliding line, and it seemed to take forever. Oh, when's it gonna be my turn? I could see the excitement on all the other kids as they went flying across the playground and back to where they started. And finally, it was my turn to slide. I stepped right up to the front of the line and went running across the playground and skidded across the ice. What thrill, what excitement, what delight! I went so fast. So fast. It was just like I had skates on. Now the rule was that when you slid out, then you slid back. That was the rule. However, not on this particular day. As I went to slide back in the opposite direction, there was a boy. A boy that grew faster than all the other boys in my grade. His name was Jeff Hibbard. As I went to slide back in the opposite direction, Jeff didn't see me and took his turn. And because Jeff grew taller and faster than all the other kids, when we collided, I lost my balance and went tumbling down towards the ground. I had no control of my arms, no control of my legs, and landed right on my mouth. As I lay there on the ground, I could feel the pain from my teeth to my toes. Something was wrong as I had landed right on my mouth, smack dab right on my kisser. All the other children in the yard gathered round as I revealed to them all I had broken one of my adult teeth. And as I walked back into the school in pain, I learned the moral of today's story. Adult teeth don't grow back. And if you're wondering what happened after that, clearly you can see I've got teeth in the front row of my mouth. So stay tuned for the next sad story.
This has been a sad story with Mr. Sad. Like, subscribe, share, rock on.